Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications if you want to see more awesome unboxing videos and aviation stuff and everything else that I post on my channel. But yeah, let's move on to this. So we have the MAVIC Pro ALPINE White, which is exclusive to DJI and Apple, so you can only get it from there. And we thought we'd buy it while we're in Orlando, as it works out a lot cheaper, I think. However, it was $1,118 including tax, which equivalates to about £825, I think. That'll have to do. Right, so on the box you do have 3 batteries included in this. You do get the aircraft sleeve, as we're going to call it, drone sleeve thing, comes with it as well. But other than that, everything else is standard except for the actual drone itself, which obviously is white instead of grey. They've recently brought out a platinum edition, but we're going to be using this one instead. So let's open it up.
Nah. I believe it should open up like an Apple box does, where we take this bit off here. There we go. Look at this, and we have the bad boy drone just sat there. Nice and round. It's got some Chinese writing on it. I don't know what it says. Turn off. Oh, okay, that's the power button. Yeah, fair enough. So open these boxes here. This side it comes with a little DJI MAVIC. It's nice. It looks really nice in here. I don't know what we have in here, but let's take out the drone. Just out here first. Obviously it's all folded up, it's got its propellers on, it just hasn't got them on the top, so we'll put them on. So we'll leave that there for the moment, just under there, so it can stand on that. Obviously we've got 2 extra flight batteries just here as well. I believe there is one on there. So it's 3 batteries in total, which is nice. As we've got in here, so we have the controller as well, which obviously is in white. It's nice, I like this colour. I don't know whether I prefer it to the grey, but I still think it's very nice. We'll find out. I think it's nice because it's like limited edition, which is nice and exclusive to Apple, of course. So let's see what's in here. We have, probably is a charging lead. I'll probably need to get a converter for this because it is an American one, but we're taking it back to the UK, so we'll leave that in there. What else have we got in here? Let me know how we open this. Oh, there we go. This is a MAVIC sleeve, so this is what we can put the drone in. So if I'm taking it on as hand luggage or just taking it anywhere, literally just plop it in there, so very nice. Nothing else in there, you don't actually know, we have a spare pair, but what is that? Oh, it's a charger. It's a charger for them. I don't know if there's anything there. Well, let's open this bit up as well, see what we've got in here. By the looks of it, we have set of propellers. Yeah, there's a set there. Oh, I see. So there's going to be 2 that go on there. Cool. And then you've got another pair there. You've got so many pairs of propellers.
They're really good with their packaging. Like, I'd never thought that all that stuff would
very
be in a little
Apple-like.
flat.
This is very, very Apple-like. This is obviously just the drone manual and stuff and how to use it. The last thing we have in here, take off this little bit, and we have, we've got a charge lead, I'm guessing. We have this charge pack, which is probably the last thing we're going to need. We're just obviously going to charge up the batteries. I don't know whether we can charge, pretty sure we can charge these multiple times. Yeah, we should be able to. So we should be able to charge a few of these at once. I hope we can anyway. But yeah, that is literally everything you get in the box. Lovely stuff though. We'll do a video on it on the first flight, which will be interesting to see. But anyway.
Right, so that's it for today's video. It's not very professional unboxing, not really my style. I just like opening things and playing with it. So yeah, we are going to get these batteries charged up and hopefully take it out for a test flight tomorrow, because it is about coming to 8 o'clock, so it's a bit too late to flight now. So we're going to get all the batteries charged up, take it out for a spin tomorrow, and then we'll get the first flight video done and hopefully uploaded not too long after this. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it kind of gave you a bit of an insight into kind of the look of this lovely ALPINE White MAVIC Pro with the gimbal and everything. And yeah, we'll let you know on some charge times and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe below and turn on notifications to keep up to date with other videos I have. And I will be producing some more videos while we're here in Orlando with my girlfriend and her family. So yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.